The Magic Wish Cake. Peter's lesson in the power of wishes. In a cozy little town, where everyone knew each other's names and birthdays, lived a young boy named Peter. Peter was a kind-hearted and curious boy who loved baking. But what made Peter unique was his obsession with wishes, those fleeting whispers people make when blowing out birthday candles or when seeing a falling star. Peter's grandmother Carmen was his constant companion in his culinary adventures. She told him stories of magical places and enchanted recipes, especially one about a magic wish cake. One slice, one wish, Carmen would say. But remember, not all wishes lead to happiness. Peter was intrigued and finally convinced his grandma to share the secret recipe of the magic wish cake. It was his birthday, and he thought what better way to celebrate than to make a cake that could make wishes come true. Carmen warned him, "Be careful what you wish for, Peter. Sometimes what we think we want isn't what we truly need." Peter and Carmen mixed the ingredients, sprinkled a pinch of stardust spice, and hummed a little tune as per the enchanted recipe. The cake was baked to perfection, its aroma filling the house with a delightful smell that promised wonder and a tinge of magic. After dinner, it was time to cut the cake. "Remember, one slice, one wish. Make it count," Carmen said, giving Peter a meaningful look. Peter thought long and hard. Finally, he blew out the candle and wished for something he always wanted. "I wish for a lifetime supply of toys." As soon as the words left his mouth, the room filled with toys of all kinds. Stuffed animals, toy cars, action figures, board games, everything a child could wish for. At first, Peter was ecstatic, playing with each toy and marveling at his newfound fortune. But soon, he felt something was missing. He looked at Carmen, who was quietly sipping her tea. "You have your toys, but remember, not all wishes bring happiness," Carmen said softly. Days passed, and Peter realized the wisdom in Carmen's words. The toys didn't bring him the joy he had expected. He missed baking with Carmen, reading books, and playing outside with his friends. Feeling a sense of regret, Peter went back to Carmen and said, "Grandma, you were right. These toys don't make me happy. What should I do?" Carmen smiled and patted his head. "Well, we did make a magic wish cake. How about we make another one and make a new wish?" Feeling hopeful, Peter agreed. This time, he took great care in choosing his wish. After blowing out the candle, he said, "I wish for the wisdom to make the right choices." The room shimmered for a moment, and Peter felt a warmth spread through him. He knew his wish had come true. The toys disappeared, but what remained was far more valuable: a newfound understanding and wisdom. From that day on, Peter became the go-to person for advice in his small town. Whether it was helping a friend with homework or assisting Carmen in her garden, Peter always knew what to do. And every year on his birthday, Peter and Carmen baked a magic wish cake, not to make wishes for themselves but to remind him of the magical and unpredictable power of wishes. The end.